This is my bike check for 2012. The frame is Treat Little Buddy. Had it for about a year and a half now. It's been holding up nice and strong, sturdy and stiff. The pegs are Shadow Little Ones. Back wheel is Demolition, laced up to We the People Supreme hub. Demolition Momentum tires, 2.20. Primo pivotal post. Shadow mid seat. Shadow Voltus forks. Primo 7 Series laced up to a tree hub. Demolition tire. Shadow Ravager top load stem with King Human bars. And the cranks are Sabrosa Bitchin', the 2-piece. Odyssey pedals. And let's see. The sprocket is a Shadow Ravager 28 tooth. It's nice and smooth. Back hub's pretty loud. Hold on. It's annoying as fuck. That's it. Thanks for checking out my bike check. Peace.